Hey, thank you for joining the Lily channel. Laughter, inspiration, learning, innovation. I found a really yummy looking recipe for moisturizing my face, and it is including avocado. It might sound either yummy or gross depending what you think. Avocado, full fat yogurt, and honey.
Great, I'll get the chips.
Yeah. And I got this recipe from our magazine Experience Life, which comes with the membership with Lifetime Athletic. And it's really old, like from 2016. And then I found some extra tips from a gal I'll mention in my details section from Google. She was mentioning that I think you leave it on for 20 minutes. So hopefully what I can do is put it on my face, the moisturizer, and then watch some episodes of Incredible Hulk, because that's what I'm going to look like. So once again, this is 1 avocado. We've got almost a third of a cup of whole milk Greek yogurt. Doesn't have to be Greek, but whole fat yogurt. And then 2 teaspoons of raw honey. This should be fun. Oh, I need a mirror. Dang it. Oh. Oh my. I didn't even take off my makeup. I forgot about that, but that's okay. It'll be rinsed off anyway. Want to pause it? Hello, I'm Lily with Lily Channel, go figure, and I am moisturizing my face with avocado. It is oh man, that's alright. Never said it was perfection. And then I'm hoping to watch a few episodes of Incredible Hulk afterwards to match the face, get it? So this also has whole milk yogurt and raw honey. You can check Experience Life magazine issue 2016. It feels weird, I have to admit, it feels weird. But it's going to be fun, and then you leave it on for 20 minutes. Now it turns out that the yogurt is also good for cleanser, as well as not just a moisturizer. What was the other thing? Toner, depending on how long you keep it on. What have you tried as far as using food to make yourself healthier in some way, whether it's your skin, your stomach, whatever it is? What home remedies have you been using? Oh, and have you heard of Kevin Trudeau? He's got a book on natural cures. I'm gobbling it up as we speak. Ooh, this is really weird. Oh, I could, it's tasty.
I'll go get the chips.
This was 1 avocado and it was nice and ripe. Oh, this will be great when it gets into my hair, won't it? You know what'd be really cool is to learn a homemade way to lighten up hair. Other than what do you call it? Hydrogen peroxide?
Hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah. Alright. I'm totally into the natural thing. Cool. And I could have added oats to this because oats hydrate very well too. I just didn't feel like it. Okay, wow, it really sucks it in. Look at that. You can hardly see what I've been putting on. And then I would also like to give a shout out, since I was at Costco today doing supervising and food sales. I was talking about Heavenly Hunks. It's like a chocolate chip cookie plus oatmeal cookie plus coconut. One of the members named Nikki was buying a bag of Heavenly Hunks for her brother Ryan, who's in the service in Ukraine. Nikki, hats off to you for sending the treats to Ryan. And Ryan, thank you for your service. And to all your fellow service women and men in Ukraine, it's got to be tough there. I hear the morale is really low, so your sister is packing up some goodies. God, I hope that wasn't a surprise. Anyway, what Costco members are doing for their fellow siblings or whoever, it's incredible. I was thinking of that because I'm dealing with food. So anyhow, This will stay on for 20 minutes, and then tune in for part 2, where I tell you how smooth my skin is or isn't. Oh God, I'm getting all this. Thank you.
Let's go get the chips.
If you're just joining me now, I'm Lily, and thank you for joining me for the avocado mask, the moisturizing mask. This is an ADHD female and male's guide to moisturizing your face with at-home ingredients. And I say ADHD because not only do my husband, the filmer or videoer, and I have ADHD, but I've also realized my meds have totally worn off for the day, so I didn't even take my makeup off before putting my moisturizer on. Oh well. So now I get to rinse this avocado mask. It's actually avocado, honey, and whole milk yogurt. And I was just enjoying looking at Incredible Hulk. I figured I look like the Incredible Hulk. I'm going to look at an episode of it. It was so fun. Alright, and now to see, it felt really cold and sort of semi-sticky because it does have honey in it too. You can also just use avocado. But here we go. Ooh, it's gotten rather dry. It's been 20 minutes. Alright. I really wish I had taken my makeup off before. That's alright. I noticed we didn't have a bathroom stylist. Come on! It does feel very moisturizing though. See here, almost done. So what wacky tricks have you tried in your kitchen or in your bathroom for homemade remedies for stuff? Wow, this is moisturizing. This is pretty amazing. Get the nose in my hair too. That's alright. Norm, is it pretty much off? I think it is.
Looks like it, yeah.
Wow. It is really soft. I'm very impressed. Feel it? Seriously though.
Ooh, silky smooth. It is actually very smooth.
Very, very
Yeah, it's very
Oh
nice.
my goodness. Wow. Well, I'm going to have to do a serious revamping of my skincare. Oh my goodness. Because I was looking on the back of it. I'm what you call a dangerous consumer. And I look at labels and ingredients. I think my moisturizer has propylene glycol in it, also known as antifreeze. And petrolatum. Ugh, yuck. So maybe that's why it's always dry after at the end of the day, and yeah. So, but
I
wow,
just saw that.
this is seriously amazing. I'm really impressed. So yeah, I need to rinse off a little bit better. But seriously, try it out. The recipe is an Experience Life magazine, 2016. I'll try to find the link to it. And tune in next time for all sorts of fun and excitement. Comment below what kind of foods you've been putting on your face. Gracias. Chat soon.